Hello, my name is Sam Divanbegi. I'm presenting our firm for this project. Briefly, I want to explain why you have to choose our project management team to basically manage your project. Um the question is, why would you choose our firm to manage your project? Before I answer that question, or part of the response to this question, is let me talk about myself as a project manager and our project management team and our qualification. I lead the project management office. We have amazing project management team with a variety of background, from mechanical engineer to electrical engineer, structural engineer, designer, architect, drafter, and so on. And they're all part of our management team. They all have a variety of experience, different experience, which they will bring to the table to manage your project. My background is building science and engineering. I'm a structural designer. I have I finished my bachelor with honor in engineering project, and I have my master in project management. Also, I'm certified project manager and certified building inspector as well. I work for over 20 years in this field, and I also have a variety of experience to manage the project as well. I am going to talk about a few elements which, in my eyes, is important to manage the project. Um, so to begin with, we as a team, as a project management team, will um, basically do lots of footwork on all the stakeholder involved with the project based on the level of their engagement. And then we will have agreement in the sense of uh, how how well they know about the detail of the project and how involved they are going to be. And in order to do that, we will have a good plan for negotiation and understanding with all these stakeholders, and also we will have a plan for motivation, how we can keep them motivated and how we can keep them engaged throughout the project. Um, Another element which I am going to talk about and is important in my eyes is a good project plan and supporting document. Uh, what that means? That means we are going to have a plan or description of all the responsibility within the project for people, money, time, equipment, and the material that is needed for the project to be finished. And also, we are going to present a matrix which we can measure all the progress within the project in every activity which we do. So we can give you basically two sides of the story. What is the scope and where we stand at any given time. Uh, One more element which I am going to talk to you and is very important to me, is one of the essential key to any project, is effective communication. And I'm gonna break it down in few steps. One, the communication has to be constant throughout the project. Okay, that's mean you have to communicate two ways, back and forth, constantly through the project. Uh, Second, the communication has to be consistent. Like consistently, you have to communicate to bring the issues, to talk about the items, to talk about how well the task is going, how like whatever the issue is. Um, Third, we plan or we organize a targeted communication. That means this communication is will be for a specific item, a specific issue uh, within the project. One more thing, the fourth item which I'm going to talk about is this communication has to be capable of or can coordinate the action within the project. Uh, Also, this communication has to recognize and solve the problems. Uh, so basically, we go both way to recognize the issues and then have a plan or answer for those issues. And also, this communication has to be built the way which can react to all the changes within within the project. For example, any changes happen which can affect the project. So this communication should be able to go to the right person with the right information. Another element which I am going to do to talk about is controlling the scope. To begin with, in order to controlling the scope of work, everyone has to have the same vision and has to be on the same page and have a good understanding what has to be accomplished. Therefore, we create a realistic goal for all deliverable items such as cost, schedule, quality, and consistency in performance throughout the project. Uh, another important element which I'm going to talk to is managing the essential manageable. By that I mean for example, helping senior project manager to make timely decision, supply people and resource when is needed, make policy decision as soon as possible, remove organizational obstacle as fast as possible. So they all, I think they all help they all positively will help, will impact the project. In conclusion, I want to just briefly share that with you. As a project management team, we can develop a proposal that will show clearly how we can effectively use the resource, keep the budget at balance, monitor and control the task, and execute the deliverable. Our project management team are skillful, experienced, and have excellent relationship with each other and with the team. I think a strong and strategic plan combined with all experience, qualification, and management skills that we bring to the table can make your project successful. Thank you.